हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इन ग्रुप्स। लास्ट टू क्लास में हमने डिस्कस किया था अरेंजमेंट इन ग्रुप्स। देयर इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन अरेंजमेंट इन ग्रुप्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इन ग्रुप्स। इन अरेंजमेंट we have to take care of what internal arrangement also. Okay, so to understand this one, I'm taking one example. So that example is, suppose we have four balls. Okay, all are distinct. Okay, one side we are doing distribution. One side we are doing distribution into two groups. Okay, and other side we are doing arrangement into two groups. Okay, so one side we are doing distribution into two groups and second side we are doing arrangement into two groups. Okay, here condition is what? Blank group is allowed. Okay, and here also blank group is allowed. Blank group is allowed. Okay, in this one, first we are doing distribution into two groups. For that, what you will do? First, these four balls we have to divide into two parts. So first we have to do group theory. Okay, according to group theory, these four balls we have to divide into two parts. So we have four balls. Okay, these four balls we have to divide into two parts. First, second. Okay, so one way is what? Four ball is coming in first part and 0 is coming in second part. Second possible is what? 3, 1. Third is what? 2, 2. Okay, and fourth is what? 1 and 3. Okay, and fifth is what? 0 and 4. Okay, in grouping 3 and 1 and 1 and 3 both are same, so we have to write only one time. Similarly 4, 0 and 0, 4 also same only, so this also we have to count only one time only. Okay, so only three possibilities: 4, 0, 3, 1 and 2, 2. Okay, so first we have to do grouping. So total number of is what? 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial 0 factorial. Okay, plus second way is what? 4 factorial. Okay, 3, 1. So divided by 3 factorial 1 factorial plus next is what? 4 factorial divided by 2, 2. So 2 factorial 2 factorial. Now in this one, these two groups are what? Same size, so we have to multiply here 1 by 2 factorial because these two groups are same size. So this is what? Grouping. Okay, now these two groups we have to distribute among two groups. Okay, so first you are dividing into two part. Now these two part we have to distribute among two groups. So in how many ways? That is 2 factorial. So into 2 factorial, that is distribution. Now we are discussing arrangement into two group if blank group is allowed. This also we will do by same way, but in this one only we have to take care of what? Internal arrangement. So here also first we are doing grouping. So according to grouping, these four balls we have to divide into two part. So there are three cases. First case what? 4, 0, second is 3, 1 and third is what? 2, 2. Okay, so first we are doing division into two part. So there are three cases. So according to first case we are getting 4, 0. So what will come? 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial 0 factorial. Now these two part we have to distribute among two groups, so that is 2 factorial. So here we have to multiply with 2 factorial. Okay, now in one group we are getting 4 balls, in another we are getting 0 balls. Now these 4 balls can be interchanged internally, so arrangement of these 4 balls is what? 4 factorial, so we have to multiply here 4 factorial. Okay, in other group we are getting 0 balls, so arrangement of 0 ball is what? 0 factorial, so that is one way. So what will come? 0 factorial plus next is what? 3, 1. Okay, so what will come? 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial 1 factorial. Okay, now these two part we have to distribute among two groups, so that is 2 factorial into, in one group we are getting 3 balls, in other we are getting 1 ball, so arrangement of 3 balls is what? 3 factorial, so we have to multiply with 3 factorial into arrangement of 1 ball is what? 1 factorial plus third is what? 2 comma 2. So what will come? 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Now these two groups are same size. These two part are same size. So what we will do? Into 1 by 2 factorial. Now these two part we have to distribute among two groups. So we have to multiply here 2 factorial. Distribution of two part is what? 2 factorial into. Now in one group we are getting 2 balls, in other also we are getting 2 balls. So arrangement of 2 ball is what? 2 factorial. So we have to multiply with 2 factorial into. In second group also we have 2 balls. So arrangement of 2 ball is what? 2 factorial. So here also we have to multiply with 2 factorial. Okay, so this is called arrangement. So this is arrangement and this is distribution. So in arrangement we have to take care of internal arrangement also, but in distribution we will not take care of internal arrangement. Only what we will do, first we are doing grouping, after that we are doing distribution. Okay, so first we are doing grouping. Okay, so these two part we have to distribute among two groups. So what will come? 2 factorial, and this is grouping. Okay, now I will discuss direct way for finding distribution of 4 balls into two groups. Here both groups are different. Okay, so first way is what? This one. Second way is what? We are taking two groups, first group, second group. Okay, both are different. Now these 4 balls we have to distribute among two groups. Okay, so we are taking these 4 balls A, B, C, D. Here given is what? Blank group is allowed. Okay, so blank group is allowed. So we are distributing these 4 balls into two groups. Okay, so we are distributing balls. Okay, so first balls, how many choice it have? So ball A can go in first group also and second group also. So it have two choice. Okay, so distribution of A ball is what? 2. Okay, so we will take 2 into. Why we are taking into? Because task is not over. Because we have to distribute B, C, D also. Okay, we have to distribute other 3 ball also. So for B ball, how many choice we have? B ball can go in first group also, in second also. So how many choice we have? 2 choice. So what we'll do? Here we have to multiply with 2 into. Similarly for C also, how many choice we have? 2 choice. So what will come? Into 2 into. For D also, how many choice we have? 2 choice. So we will multiply here 2. Now task is over. All 4 balls we distributed between two groups. So what will come? 2 power 4. Only 2 power 4 is what? 16. From here also we'll get same answer. What will come? 16. Okay, so distribution of 4 balls into two groups. If blank group is allowed, 2 power 4, that is 16. So we discussed one example, distribution of objects into groups if blank group is allowed. Now this one I am generalizing as a formula. So according to this one, total number of ways in which and distinct things can be distributed into R different group if blank group is allowed. So what will come? R power n. Okay, and how this will come? We have n distinct things, we have to distribute into R different group. Okay, so for first thing, how many choice we have? We have R choice because we have R different group. So for first thing we have R choice into. We have to distribute other thing also. So for second thing, how many choice we have? R choice. So what will do? R into. For third also we have how many choice? R choice. So into R into so on. For n thing also we have R choice. So what will do? R. So R we have to multiply n times. So what will come? R power n. So this point you have to remember. So this is total number of way in which n distinct things can be distributed into R different group if blank group is allowed. So if blank group is allowed, so then answer is what? R power n, where R is what? Number of group and n is what? Number of things that we have to distribute.